Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, I am going to show very beautiful and stunning look, bags designs ideas, crochet work bags designs ideas. Hopefully you like this video. Hopefully you like this all the beautiful bags designs. So please watch this video till end and please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. These all the ideas are easy to knit at home with the help of crochet hook and yarn. You knit these all the ideas easily. You make a very beautiful granny square and attach with each other with the help of crochet hook and yarn, and make these all the ideas easily. If you want to see more ideas about how to knit this design, how to buy these all the different collection and different details video, different questions, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. Please visit my YouTube channel and watch my previous videos and watch full detailed videos about crochet work bags, crochet work different detail ideas such as crochet work girls dresses, girls outfit, bodycon dresses, girls fingerless gloves, neck warmers, and many other ideas, different design, different details. So please visit my channel, like my videos, and share with your friends, with your relatives, with your customers, with your crochet work experts and others. And please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and then press option all to get my daily routine videos that I have uploaded daily for you. If you want to buy this, you visit many different websites such as Daraz.pk, AliExpress, Etsy.com, Clicky, and my official website Be Patron. You visit and order your favorite design, order your favorite pattern. These all the crochet bags are perfect for a beginners. If you want to knit this design at home with the help of crochet hook and yarn, if you want to knit this design, so please tell me in comment section. I will upload it full DIY tutorial with step by step in my next video. So please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share with your friends. Crochet work is a handmade process. You use many different sizes crochet hook and yarn, many different material crochet hook such as stone, bamboo, plastic, metal, and many other material you use and make these all the ideas easily. If you want to see more ideas, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail. Take care of yourself, like my videos and share with your friends, and please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and please share with your project in social media with the help of hashtag. Hopefully you like this all the different collection and different ideas for girls bags, crochet work girls bags ideas. So take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Thanks for joining us. Take care. Okay, birds. Bye bye.